Welcome back to This Week in Crypto. The week ending September 20th was truly a historic one.
That is correct, Lydia. We witnessed a historic week with the Fed cutting interest rates for the first time since 2020. It was so important that we both went to the Federal Reserve to talk with Jerome Powell. We also report on what the rate cut will mean into the future of crypto and report on our limit swapper. We invite the audience to come with us and learn more about the crypto world. Hello everyone. Lydia and I have gone on location for the first time. Lydia and I are going inside the Fed meeting here in Washington, D.C. to ask Jerome Powell a few questions about the imminent interest rate cuts. Join us for what just may be a historic event.
Good afternoon. My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of maximum employment and stable prices for the benefit of the American people.
Hello, Mr. Powell. Lydia Elway from This Week in Crypto. That was a nice introduction, but let's get down to business. Is the Fed going to lower the Federal Reserve borrowing rate?
The progress on inflation and the balance of risks. At today's meeting, the committee decided to lower the target range for the federal funds rate by a half percentage point to 4.75% to 5%.
Mr. Powell, such a drastic rate cut is exactly what the market needed to hear today. That marks the first rate cut since 2020. Will there be more scheduled rate cuts in the near future?
We will continue to make our decisions meeting by meeting.
Okay, so that means there may not be any guarantees of another rate cut this year, but does that mean there will not be any further rate cuts in the near future?
If the economy evolves as expected, the median participant projects that the appropriate level of the federal funds rate will be 4.4% at the end of this year and 3.4% at the end of 2025.
Wow, that is very aggressive, and exactly what could spark the next big bull run everyone is excited about. Thank you very much for your time, Mr. Powell.
Well, for the first time in years, America has heard some good news come out of the Federal Reserve. For the first time since 2020, the Fed will cut its rates, and there appears to be a path forward for more aggressive rate cuts in the near term. Well, we have enjoyed our time out of the studio, but it is time to get back to the show. In an article written by SwapNgo this week, it looks like the rate cuts could spark decentralized finance and Ethereum in the next bull run. Of course, the rate cuts will unleash a wave of liquidity that can be used to fuel the market, with loans being given out more leniently, and the payments people currently making on variable interest rate accounts lowering. Decentralized finance may see a particular boost, because in DeFi users will be able to get cheaper crypto loans from such places as Compound or MakerDAO. Something else that will help DeFi is staking, which is measured by TVL, or total value locked. Since 2022, during the bear market, the TVL rose to $77 billion. It is expected that with the bull run, more investors will be enticed to stake or lock up their investments. This in turn will prevent people from selling off their investments, thus stabilizing the price of their chosen crypto project. The resulting stabilization will in turn help fuel the crypto bull run. The upcoming bull run and renewed interest in DeFi will be aided by SwapNgo due to its incredibly well-developed utilities. SwapNgo already has cross-chain trading, token-to-token trading, on-ramping and off-ramping, the ability to transfer money almost instantly anywhere in the world, staking, and a jackpot. This does not include a few more surprise utilities that are already under development. SwapNgo will be a key player in the crypto bull run and the expected mass adoption. Keep an eye on Swap and go and give us a try for your trading needs.
In crypto, the blockchain has been compared to silos. All tokens on that chain could only trade and/or use utilities that were also on that blockchain or silo. Historically, this has made crypto trading difficult. But what if I told you there was an exchange out there that just flipped the script and blew up the way in which crypto is traded? SwapNgo has done just that. By using the SwapNgo exchange's buy-sell crypto widget, you are now free to move about the crypto world. That is right, you can now trade your crypto between almost any blockchain. Your crypto wealth and your trading has now been free to do with what you want. Go to the SwapNgo.exchange today and trade freely.
We reported on our X account this week that the future of crypto is looking strong. With the 0.5% rate cut that occurred this past week and the Fed clearing the way for more cuts in the near term, the market has started to rebound significantly. Bitcoin is trading as of this recording at $63,541, and BNB is trading at $572. These are both very big moves since the rate cut, but the increasing price is not the only reason why the future of crypto looks strong. The future of crypto is looking bright in many other ways than just a rebounding market. It looks like adoption is about to be much more widespread, with many merchants poised to take crypto as payments in the near future. Something some won't want to hear is that crypto is going to be more regulated in the future, and that will bring about taxation. That may be a negative, but overall, if there is regulation and countries tax it, then crypto will become more mainstream, and that is when early investors will see more return or ROI. When crypto goes mainstream, it is believed that utility tokens that give people new to the industry a reason to use them will lead the way. That is where SwapNgo just might prove to be a leader in crypto. With their powerful new limit swapper coming out, token-to-token swaps, on-ramping and off-ramping, the ability to send money around the world in seconds, and many other powerful utilities on the way, look for SwapNgo to be a major player in the future of crypto.
Colin, did you know that there is some major news coming right out of our own SwapNgo DEX this week?
Yes, I did, Lydia. Is that why you got a bit dressed up?
It sure is. Sometimes, when something is really special, it is necessary to look better than usual. This week, the news is so amazing that we need to actually go inside the DEX and check it out. Are you ready to go inside the SwapNgo decentralized exchange?
Lydia, the news is amazing and we need to report on it. But what do you mean, go inside the SwapNgo exchange?
Trust me, you'll see. Just follow me and I will show you what I mean.
Wow, I see what you mean. Not only are we inside the SwapNgo decentralized exchange, we are actually inside their new and improved limit swapper. Lydia, what are you doing?
Sorry, Colin. I was taking a picture of the limit swapper. It is amazing, and I think we at SwapNgo are going to create an article for X about this. This utility is something other decentralized exchanges just don't have, and if they do not have the power that this one does.
You are right, Lydia. This little tool is very powerful. Let us take a look around and explain this to the viewers. Starting at the top left, you will see the arrow I just put up there. This is where you can see which pairs are available to swap on the limit swapper. There will be so many pairs available once this is fully live. Right now, you see the pair S and G and BNB. This means that a trader can trade directly between the S and G token and the BNB token. This will happen without the need to buy USDT like on other big centralized exchanges. Thus, there is only one trade necessary. A trader does not need to buy USDT and then buy what they like. This will make the trade so much cheaper and make more sense. Soon, there will be many pairs from which to choose. As you can see by the arrow I just moved, there are already many different categories of pairs from which to choose. Our little utility packs a big punch and will blow the minds of all who use it. This is something that no one else has right now. Any trader, without KYCing on our exchange, will be able to limit swap countless different pairs and bring their trading and portfolios to new heights.
Colin, that is truly amazing. We have one heck of a utility on our hands, and we have not even told the viewers about some of the more astonishing features. Let's take a look at the functions on this side of the utility. We start by allowing traders to either buy or sell the coins between each pair. Thus, one can buy or sell S and G in our example to get BNB or S and G, depending if you are buying or selling. That is the obvious function, but what many don't understand is that you can play one against the other to increase your wealth. Let's say a trader believes that S&G is oversold and thinks that it will soon go up, and they believe that BNB is overbought and will soon go down. They can use the range slider below to set the percentages they believe will make the most sense to buy or sell either of the tokens in the trading pair. Once they set the trade to the range which they want, purple lines will appear on the chart, demonstrating the range which they set. They can walk away from the exchange and not worry about keeping an eye on the market. Our limit swapper will place the trade once the tokens are trading at those levels and make the trade at that time. We give traders something else to make their trading easier as well. You will see that once a trader puts in how much BNB they would like to sell, or how much S&G they would like to buy, the amount of the tokens will automatically be tallied, and that amount will be shown in US dollars. Colin, there is one more little item, which many decentralized exchanges have, but I believe ours is just a little easier to spot and to use. There is a button which allows the trader to quickly connect their crypto wallets in order to trade. I just want to take this time to remind the viewers that with our buy-sell crypto utility, visible just above me, that traders can easily load their wallets right from their bank accounts as well. That will make our limit swapper even better. You see, our little utility packs an enormous punch and is incredibly powerful.
Lydia, it definitely looks like our utility is incredibly powerful and makes me proud to be part of the SwapNgo team. We will bring opportunity and incredible power to the traders who use us. From the vast amount of pairs that will be available to limit trade, to the ability to easily set your ranges for your trade to capitalize on tokens that are overbought or oversold. Our limit swapper is very easy to use and genius. That is not to mention how our on-ramping and off-ramping combines to allow traders to load their wallets and then take their wealth with them safely and securely. Our limit swapper and other utilities either here or yet to come make SwapNgo the best decentralized exchange in the market today and in the future. We are truly a one-stop shop for all of your trading needs.
So, there you have it. We had some incredible news this week, and we look forward to seeing next week.
Have a wonderful week, and we will catch you next time. Until then, please remember that investing is not a sprint. It is a marathon with the occasional pitfalls. Please make sure to do your own due diligence.